Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. NGOs in Garo Hills reaches the CM on NHM job appointments. Wild elephants destroys farms. Farmers cries out to the DC. Halted by the police. HNYM continues protests amidst tension. And Meghalaya football teams to compete in Odisha and West Bengal. And now the news in detail. Various NGOs operating within Garo Hills have jointly submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on the 31st of August expressing concerns about recent appointments under the National Health Mission NHM. The memorandum handed over raises issues related to the recruitment process for the role of mid-level health provider MLHP across different parts of Garo Hills. Of particular concern is the absence of any local Garo candidates among the significant number appointed to the MLHP positions. The NGOs pointed out a circular dated August 17, 2023 for document verification and counselling, an integral part of the appointment procedure. However, they claim that no advertisement circular regarding these positions was accessible. This apparent lack of transparency, according to them, goes against established Meghalaya government recruitment norms. Furthermore, the NGOs voiced apprehensions about the selection process itself. They revealed that the appointed candidates, all 41 of them, were from non-Garo communities and lacked proficiency in the local language. This language barrier could potentially hamper the efficiency of their healthcare duties.
Atamnam sakantinan ya atammo ya nambegpa cholko unahaninas kangpanga nugubai cholko metelsinga uni sepon tal kholachi agus hajalgini ko gutamo chinga dolbonga NGO srang GSU interim body ADE AYWO FKGGP aro FAF kumonge ya dal dao dingdo laking pa issue ni bidingo chinga dal chief minister na lekha ko DC ni through atata ha warang ni bidingo chinga achikjat sakantinan pa ni sweng ba sakantinan chinga jekon muksonge dalo chief minister na lekha ko siata hacham wa muksongani rang ko mungsa mungni nege agan thalate onna ni rang ko dakna ta sienga chungni dalo chief minister na lekha siemna DC ni through atat pa lekhao jana pani de yan middle level health providers MLHP jian NHM National Health Mission ni ngao gesa post ngacham ya post na recruit khani bidingo aditan jija so jengjeng ngani rang ko anching nikna gata matna unigi sepon chinga ndake janabatna gata khusiong aje ya anchingni Garo Hills na jian mija tathari kocham kolgurkatham agus hajagni kolgurthamo je candidates rangkon ba je MLHP na candidate ungmengna verification rangna okamemengna unigi sepon verification okamani jamano wa mangko appoint kana nemna saksot brisa ko jian sakol grikni de North Garo Hills so sak chigni de South West Garo Hills so haro saksni de West Garo Hills so appoint ka hacham wa appoint ka ani bidungo chinga ndake janabatna ta khusiong bea je ya appoint ka ani ko dakani process ko chingni kaode aro chingni sanji matna niude ya unggepa recruit ka ani rangko ba rumna pani rangko dakja ane chinga nikna gata matna maina ya mission National Health Mission ni ngao anching Meghalaya ni je anching ni mission director ongingacham wa anthangni skagata ba je dakke skhangunin ya MHLP na recruit khaingacham wa ndakpa rantha ba wa ndake recruit khagpa process ko jarkija anthangni skagata dakna gata amma anemna chinga nakna gata matna chinga iko aganingon ya ko maini gimana aganinga ya je saksut brisa je kon chinga dasio thalata hacham saksut brisa Jean Garu Hills na ane mengna dengtang manca MLHP na appoint ka ahcem wa saksut brisa ko bisong campus recruitment ko dakaha Jean campus recruitment ko daknas kangba anchingni ya MHLP sanungja anchingni Meghalaya ba state government ni recruitment process rang advertisement ka isa gemuk takisa anching recruitment nang ko dakrung acem andi ba iya ke so de chinga ndita chungni sandie nekaniyo advertisement ka ja ba advertisement ko ja ane mengna skang ba chinga na kata mana ha geni gepao anda ke ba chinga jana batna kata khusyong aje ya GNM candidates rangko ya MHLP na eligible ongja angepani bidungo batnga andake ba jana batna kata khusyong ba beben hajal gini chisku o Indian Nursing Council ni kita direction ko de onata ha beben hajal me kolgruk sku hajal gini chisku o anchini Indian National Council jian anchini Ministry of
Tal tsenga dul bunga nangrum women NGOs jian tsenga FKGGP GSU interim body ADE FF AYWO adok ni chief minister na representation ko anchini Turani deputy commissioner Jaktis Chelani Jakchi on baha uni disebut tsenga dikeke adok surkari na tsenga representation on ataniyo CM on tadi ukuran ko jana patna akan dapat nga tsengi kita dao existing GNM nursing school rango ko dao central ni dengtang guidelines rang order rang sukbagin semua ode ya rang ko dengtang nakba kamu kaang nagda de ba tackle ka nagda dakke de existing ya GNM nursing school rango ni ko upgrade ka china BSc nursing college na je rak pade makhang china nagi dakke obostan ko nakang thai na nangjana gda dakke chka mol atenga apsan sumayo chnga adok sorkari ko aro health department ko ge duatenga mai dakke sa dengtang post chunawani bo post talabok bo post bang bo khumi bo andi ba government recruitment na de advertisement ko out ka dibi ya mija do obostong eng pani bidung de advertisement out ka ja advertisement ko ra mani out ka ja singari ko de blongin ja ni ko public ba singinga ar singa ba chini ba singa dolbo enjoys ni ba singa singatnya maini gimen sai rang ko ra advertisement ko ra dak ja khanda kha ja maina advertisement de mas private sector mangba sorkari ni dakchakani ko mannenga onde sorkari ko ba thangka paise je ona kugung mannenga private sector public sector gemuk on je chuna post pong dalla post pong bo post bang bo khomi bo andi ba advertisement de out khana nang thela what mandatory onga bakora minus bypass ka ska emuna advertisement out kha gijan ki recruitment khana ma yare chni sngatani onga ya ko de health department ta clarification out khana nangen ba issue khana nangen dege aro da isia AWW president ni agarang anikta tsinga uwakoba tsinga ko stress katlinga da o adok pondit taning ni kanira bangya Garu Hills region ko nga kana dengtang department health department sa nongja uni gemen IS level oni joint secretary each and every department giantian Garu Hills ni ba Garu Hills ba dongna nangnok setup kana against state common uno sa nambat ni kamana ko khangna manakta tsinga kya ma joint secretary level oni IS asungin sim osa dengtang kamana ko nirok naman gen aro apsan sumayo technical team but technical office ko set up kana ngya for each and every department mana matam department rang ode technical team dongjani selrang ba dengtang project central yo ngo state ni ngo kham kha ani rango nirok pa dongja technical expertise rang dongjani giban dengtang problem ko face ka nga dengtang obostan ge ongor ka nga yang ode dikta thangka state government jakhala chiba central government jakhala onata chiba jakhala chiba namgrian chenga chngade urigmen yarang kore tharak kale adok sorkari niat pachina chinga molmonateya
Ranikor Farmers Association RFA voiced their concerns to the Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Khasi Hills District on August 31st regarding the havoc caused by wild elephants to their farms. The farmers reported that a group of wild elephants had migrated from another region in search of ripe fruits on their lands. Leaders of RFA urged the Deputy Commissioner to deploy wildlife authorities to deter the elephants and guide them back to their habitat. They also appealed for officers to visit the affected area, witness the extent of damage caused, and explore the possibility of compensation similar to aid provided during natural calamities.
Muka Rankor area formation jiwan yang kenduk mentaya IDC nak mentah ke jiwan kiu jong di hati lendi jiwan kau jiwan pencet kemarin mariang jong di Thai boda. Nak tak tahu gila aipor ya ka aipor ya sarkar wa kubuk no shibnai dia berkerja mardo ya kidi kemarin kau. Nara jumlah berkerja hapok di bunai. Nak liang jong nong rep di perkawen di penlong ya ke meeting. Di paibat nong rep di hapsim nak gue garai. Nama la ars nem tam mentah jiwan kiu di hati pencet kemarin mariang jong yang di Thai boda jong ni. Dah radikor dia berkawen. Kemudian menu bukan kami bukan pej jadi di kemarin kau. Awak jadi isya jumlah ban klet ni jumlah pentai jaga nar wildlife. Papli dah kalian jongki nyumdon isu ban ong. Namar baki nak kalian jinong rep nak pentip saki kilawan papli. Asin laisin kilawan kilak sambit senong nak menstep kilawan benbit hajinya lam tu isar saukumi udah wildlife. Smith lara adong masa balik be di hati. Dek kabakut di ngilik be dah siliang kawa si siliang kawa. Hadin ketuk di por di hati wan pai biang. Tementan nak kita tahu kalau by night ya tar wildlife kuat cuba ong EA. Jadi direct cak sarkar mentak sarkar dari pai pat lem sangi pinong rep. Apa ya ki merat diri jengduk jengi pak sok pak tahu ki siar ki mesti ki belang. La ada hukum yang ini dari benari wan sumar. Kata nak kalian jong sarkar ban pari wan sumar ki. Dan rek wasosi kalau bayar ki di mar klau pat larangin siat ni penjot ki dah ka sarkar ki msya. Dan tak kata lah pimsa penjot di mar klau ka sarkar gede bandon lah ka jong ke jaka penri wan sumar ki di mar klau. Kadang gini ong ba larangin be jual setan borda saya ranikor gin be saya ingin be kata ka jikli babu din lai saya ingin be ina kalian jumji ku makan ranikor area formation ong bana kimi haba gimi nang ta be sa kata ka haba yang yimur jadi jing dub jongi kumkin ki nong song tahu gidon la ka sekari ka sumar ki ka sarkaru hodon ting pra klau gidon don la ka jong ka sumar rafi plan kundi sumur kolong bana kalian gino rep ya hapan sim dah kanu kalar kunti pencet sendonya ki nomor ki pencet ki marep jongi kata kalau jingkar pa jongi sak sarkar seup hapan sim jingi lem par hapon simnai tentu kriya mardor no yakini hati kapakut nak kalian jongi ka rankor area formation lagi mulan tu kriya apa simnai ni hapan sim dah kami perkara tangtai hakane kalian kane ke jumat ke joki kini ke hati kau hakini gidong gitain jokar rankor jongi labdong bala ars nem tam mentah kilawan kio ladengin be kiluan biang la kanu sensu bangi la be ya kini ki hati hanrai kakuti kejing be kejungi bat haka bakadu mentah kebut ngim la syu nomar kila nang bun kejing wan kio yo kini hati ladengin kenya kejing syak penjot jongi kinong rap laban ong ba klapoi de kispak ngut kinong rap aba kila duno iya ki marep kejung ki tang nak kebetar kejung penjat kini hati nang ta ying jong kinong rep kibu iki ying hakil lengka irisa nak kebetar ben ledrep kejung ki kidon ki balasna bha mo ya kaying kila syak penjat no kumba pili hakini ki sngi belnya bakilami haki kuboro kejung penjat kini hati bat nang taruh buat kiying breu dan kini ki hati ki balak penjat ya kiying breu lapan ong ba kejing penjat yang jong kini hati kala lapan poi sya kasan pau tadi ya hi hanrai ka basusi ka menta kalong ba don ba lapan ong ban yarap yang hi kinong rap ya kini kejing kejongi bane lapan ong ban ai ta kejing yarap katne ba ngila lut lane ngila dunong ni kinong rap hanrai om dan nak kalian kejungi ke seng ke ranikor area farmers association ni keren syai bangi aipor mentatang si benai ya ke sarkar ba kade ben bekno mardori ya kini hati klau nak kade kadong katang kejungi bad lada pimbe lade pimle hapo jong kade ke si benai sobha simhi dalade kejing klik ni kinong rap ngim dosu kejing klik nak bentar kini hati lada ja yaki lada don kinong peniam perat ikem kisat along yang ini Henry lada penjat saya kini ki merat klau ia kijutang jingtung jingtap jungi lada ki penjat yang ia ke mesin breu kejungi ayu pat ke sarkar kalale dapat dah kejungi nomor kata ngi keren syai bat kadu kedua yang betang kane kawe karai penkriak mardor hapo isi benai yak ni kunat klau lem kumta ngimdon ke jengin play kumki nongrap jong ni kedong thai bless.
On August 31st, the police took a firm stance against the Nyotrap National Youth Movement HNYM as they attempted to march towards the secretariat in protest. The group, aiming to draw attention to the pressing issue of unemployment within the state, was met with opposition from law enforcement. Chanting slogans and displaying placards, the protesters were resolute in their demand for employment opportunities. The focal point of their demands was a meeting with Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, seeking discussions on the government's actions and a commitment to address their call for a reservation policy. The police intervention prevented the demonstrators from reaching their intended destination, prompting them to relocate their protest to the statue of Ukyang Nangba Point near Civil Hospital in Shillong. Tensions remained high as the HNYM persisted in their pursuit of policy changes to address unemployment. The incident highlighted the urgency of the issue and underscored the determined efforts of the youth movement to make their voices heard.
Memorandum sungguh ni remind yang kali on the 3rd of July 2023. The remind yang kali ka tarik July arca apa? Sistem mentah on the 8th of November 2022 wang yangi ba lai kendo ye pernis keteriak. Wang ta this is a very genuine issue wang ni. Oh ngas tengah kita lagi cuba ni. Let us examine this matter and we'll discuss in the assembly in the cabinet. Oh yes sir. How much will it take time? Well, no, only 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Wow, 3 weeks is only 1 year, more than 1 year. Only talk yang ini dia. Umat bangi di kelung sah. Nah, lah ada kikon kita, ada orang bang, jaga family. Dua ikut orang semua, orang kentang yang ini dia. Oh, talk yang ini sudah. Tak ada, ikut jaga sen mata kilo ready dia. Boleh main tu, boleh dia. Nomor ini kulit yang ini mata kisah tenang berapa ni kawang praksi. Amde besok siat kemensian ke selai sar. Ke selai kemensian. Kaptep ke kawan jong pi yola don kam don jam. Rai ni te takhat ke lawai ke sama. Tak kila ne mana seram. Dan ngin pelong meeting suar. Boros kaptu bagi pelong tekun. Jerman sing pelong.
Kisardar Shillong bat kiwai kilalong ki khok salang mat jok gajak benriu. Ka HNYM kin saya tengku. Balai ngi persya ya kijingti cakap puta sakibai pat kijak benriu. Balai ngi persya ya kijingwan bela jikibai kijak benriu hapo kari kajungi. Balai ngi persya ya kijingwan tei ya kita ki company beper hapo kabri new trap kajungi. Kalong namar ba kini ki company bat kita kiwai kicing mentoi kepala wara ada kita ki private company na bar kita tang kicing yo onong ya ki priyo ki bar utrari try mengokom dan ayai ban bam yen patang ha kini kisi ke baraja po Janta Hills katop samsiman kala abad phe di ke wa Shillong yang kita ke area Hagaba maki ki ongba na kaliang jongi ngila INOC ya kani ka top sen simen na ta shu ka ba kham sko putar galong ba kini ki wa Shillong joka East Center Hills kimi imenen ki ongbangi peram jor ya kitu ki ba tim sang yau DC Deputy Commissioner jangkau East Center Hills ubala show ala dat ya wai perdo persam jungi haduk pandemi Islam hapdang surok Kem penram kini ki wahai Shillong jong kita ke Janta Hills ya ki memberi kala remba kala laj ke jolai kala laj ke kleriat kalum Shillong kala laj cek ti jeng bar jela hatu ki aimo kita ki wahai Shillong bat kita ki doloi jong kita ke area ngan keren suaya ke Janta Hills
The Meghalaya State Football Junior and Sub-Junior boys are on their way to participate in the National Football Championship 2023, which will be held in Odisha and West Bengal. The teams will represent the state in the under 16 and under 14 categories respectively. The chairman of the Youth Committee of the Meghalaya Football Association, MFA Sunish Aim, informed that the Meghalaya Junior Boys under 16 will play their first match on September 5th in Odisha, while the Meghalaya Sub-Junior Boys under 14 will play their first match on September 3rd in West Bengal. Before the teams set off for the tournament, there was a small gathering at MFA Turf Polo on August 30th, where the Youth Development Cell of MFA wished them luck and encouraged them to bring glory to the state.
Manager kepada mereka tim berkat tu yang subahai ini ki buan nak kalian press tu bagi dalam ini ni te kom yang ifi finla ban yele kai bha te kom na du an kong kasi ngala ju ong hi ngala ong ifi ba Meghalaya tim kire ban kan mau kadon hapo ka tier 1 boro artli kas junior ru kasab junior ru te kari India bro kawai hi football fraternity jongi ni pej bha ya Meghalaya ki pej bha Meghalaya baka dekat state ka ba yele kai bha ka jingla ka football te ka sub junior ru kala de ongi fix sub junior Meghalaya phile yele ka je sub junior team ka de defending champion kan mau ha kalian ni belum har hajar khatra ka Meghalaya kalong champion te hadin ka tu ka don ka covid kam sim lala bandon ka ni ka tournament ke mentak sedang biang te ka kermen ba phi bro artli ki team phinyele kai bha persang dipidi bandon ka tu jingmod hadin ni thmu bangin poi shakhmat sim ya kawai ka jingela kai hadin kawai perkat choy ke first game ngin job ke first game ngin sa job sa second game sa third game kumta sim kawai ke game haka ju haka moli sim padong ba ngin poi sata em sim kawai ke game kuma phareng take one game at a time mo te tang kata hi nga nakalang jonga nga kitbok ke yang ifi ko finla ban yele kai bha ba kuma ong nang kong phi le ka na manta ka prestige jong ka Meghalaya prestige jong ka yang kasem ka prestige jong phi mo Datang gini kiktian ngai ku boleh fibaro bat nga kernan ba finya poisuk poisang se kerja ka ba fiele bat finya le kai bha bat kumju ki coaches ki mengalam bakin ya pej bha ki khna bakin light na ka jingpang jing sistem bat kila finya le kai bha mo tok mentangi don teng ka jingpang kre ba Meghalaya team ro arteli ki le ka sabar wei ke ka junior state team ke ka under 16 wei pada ke ka sub junior under 14 team Tika junior team kan mi la sin sajan kan ila ka sapo Bhubaneswar Orissa tika sub junior team bre kan mi la sai kasni ka ni ila ka sapo Malda Bengal tika jingila ka ke penong jong Meghalaya junior team kan dei haka santarik jong benai banwan ka sub junior bre kan ila ka haka lightering jong benai banwan hi ti makalong mentahi tingila persang hi bangin pengkrea kat bangila di kuma fitip hi baka junior team haka sin baka peloh ne po Meghalaya Shillong ka po semifinal hajin sang ila dei ila kai bahi tamalong bang surem no salit ha Mizoram kalalong ko ka champion jong ka tournament te ha be dei pada baka sub junior team haka ne ka edition ka bade ke balong ka kaliani hawar hajar ka tinadun ka tu pada ka khalamlong su ka sub junior ka Meghalaya ka defending champion di ka Meghalaya kara ya ketua cup hapo kalian ni di menta kamu nginlek sapo Malda kam sub junior team kan lek ka defending champion
kini kadai ka state team na po
kadai ka state team hi ka bangi pengkrea na ka Meghalaya Football Association kani kadai ki bangi lum lo di ki khna baro khai na ki districts ka fair ka affiliate bat ka Meghalaya Football Association te kalong ka ka challenge mo ang mo tin parang yang ni ka liang ka MFA bangin penuan dori kini ki khna na ma babuna pren kini ki khna ki ki ba Popli ki khna ki batang ki ba bele ka hala kisnong lejong ndai nga ai ka jingi ro ki khna kinda kila 1 point bi hang Shillong nang ila jit ki kila akin ba menta bakin adap ya kata ka standard pangila bele ka ti ko makalong menta hi ti ki khna kila ilong ready hi bakinya le persya ki bi ki states namar ka Meghalaya ka don hapo ka Taiwan jong ni ka lumpung namar ka Taiwan ki team ki bakan sai sudah kum ka Meghalaya ka Mizoram Karnataka nata ka Punjab Kerala kini kita nak pakai Taiwan. Jika don sakawai ke Tier 2 pada team sebab hamtlot. Jika manus nam kita ki teams ki balong champion apa Tier 2 ki kiyo sa Taiwan. Jika mo ni sarong mga Meghalaya, jika wei ki team ki teams ki badon apa Taiwan, kalau mo jika wei ni ki teams ki hamflan apa ka di India jeng.
Pi ba kunyo madan ban training.
Nam kan ni teka madan hijong ka MFA te. Nama sisin baka practice ka state team ka preference ka dinong kong soai ka state team. Ka senior ka junior ka sub junior kani ka madan hijong ka MFA te. Sisin baka practice ka junior team ka sub junior team lani ka senior team ka preference ka di siswa ya ka state team ke namar kami kamat nama tak jerlah ke jong
Okay.
Maungap Government LP School held a heartfelt veneration ceremony on August 31st to express gratitude towards Mrs. Hanamon Kriem, a retired teacher who devoted 17 years of service to the school. The event held on school campus saw the presence of managing committee members, parents, teachers and students who came together to honor her contributions. Mrs. Hanamon, who taught at the school from 2006 to 2023, was celebrated with performances by students and members of the Parents Teachers Association (PTA), making the occasion truly special.
Kublesibun ikikentin priang subha jong pi yang lembat ki bahayeng basen ki jong kanigapor mamenta. Ningkong apan pau ki sungu yo blai paula beten lenti yang haduk mentah. Kani kalong kasi kaban sakan mau sisai ka jing em ka jong bat jong pi. Ngai kublei ya baro ki dong keren ki ba la keren haswa jong nai pun nai mention cu iki. Kumjo ia gitu gijing bernya kiba per kiba pilapen hakani kapor kiba menta bat kalalong ru kajing kemen yangi kiba don hakani kapor kiba menta ngai iba nado ki kena nasri hado kilong keme ki laya sakilang da kajing kemen bat dagamen sem kajing sungu ngapan pau pat pediang ya gijing ai sobha gijong khi baro yang tang tiak kumno ngapoi hakani ka school ngako awanya thu pi deling ba jong ikong ban suk suting ibadai hati che ibalakhlat no I yang khai ngan song thai no saw tare kin ai ferel yang sawan mo kha tengok ong ing ong to sawan ta hadian arta yo yang biang yang pila le kum no kha pila tho application nga bakhlem don jingmot na la de bangan wan hang ni te kamot nga suong tho application yong kila ai bor hai president ha to ko por mo president dei ba Edward Kurba tur mo la le chakban te yong na is le pan NOC ma khang ong to te kom ta ngala persyang man le kata te bat kata kare gijing sedang pejong hang ni nganum keren boni kiwe ngai ha kalai tarik kamut ngajon hang ni ha kalai tarik jong benai me ar hajan reu bat mentang halong khan yo snem live benai ha kene ke school takti nam ta gini snem kaya isi kajing kublei kabani kong kalet Sya ka school managing committee kabalong ka board ka bahak lido abanta ban pe ya ka bahak mian jong ri ka school ko jongi bat kalong kum ni ka bakalong menta nai kublei ru ikmi pa ling ba jong ka seng jong ki ka parent teachers association kabalong ka ti ka man ka ti ka diang bat ka jingker ku ya ka school jongi hi pa ro away ngai kublei I hat teacher balong para try jonga I parang na hikai kom ki men bat ki para ki ba ki jonga hakakam baro askatang ya pentulun lang ya kan ke salentem bat penya ya kan kali ndai ka jingla ka jonga marwai ya trelang kom ki para ni kai ndai mentah ngala dei ban syania happy ba penang ya treasure ham da ka jing ya kakam kanang baranra ya ka standard jong ka school namar ka nang ya ikipon nginang kwa iban kete ka standard tie ngai khup le ka pang ru ikino hikai ke be ki jonga ki jongi ki bangi khot yarap yaki ki don lai ngot kini dak mensem jong ka jing ai ti lot ba ka jing trei sitam ka jong ki kalong ka jing mentu ka jing mentoy ba ka jing kur khu ka ba krau ya ka ni ka school ka jongi ho dai jing siu ba ret rei ki lai sha sitam te nga semua badong batu blen kur khu ya pi ba pi nya yo ka jing kot ka jing kia aka met aka mensem lai jing siu ba ret rei blen pendap ye ki jing non kam ki jong pi baro kanang ya ki sini ki por ki khana ki be ki jong a ngai khum le ki to ka riang ye ki khana be jong a baro kum ki kum ka kme ka ba a ka jong pi ngamai nga ken hin nga sempat ye pi ba de ba nga nga kwa ba pin kieu ngam kwa pin sa ju tinak ta ka daw nga kit bok kit riang ye pi ba pin nang ya kieu sha prang ki jing puli jong pi ham tam be ba pin dan ye ka thong bat ka ta ka thong ka jing em ka jong pi ka ba man la si along ba pin yo e ka jing jom man sa ju ba sa ju ti ti na ba jai tu ti ko mut kom gita mo mde ban ban ka ti school ka jong ni hiao ngau na to nga ngai scam hiu i nga ko mga long ki i dam nga ko mga long ta singi ngala style dai oi pi ru man ta ka singi nga i pi ak men ma ba yo ban I farewell khadu nga dai na boleh sibuk ni tu program ke jang pi ba pi lai ai ngam sola ban siu ke liang ke jing lai stom jang pi por ba tang khandian te rei nga kwa manong ba baro nangi ngimla ban yu i la di ngam tai ka ni ka ngap la jong ngam yu i ngadon ayu ngam la ban yu khumot la jong ru ngadon ayu ngathok ayu dai ngam la ban yu i pi i nga nga i pi dai dem to te nga ngai scam ba kini ki jing pen kan ma ki jong nga ya pi ba ngem la ba i la de halong ba ngam la ban pen hon lot ya ki jing kwa ki jong pi baro ki ba wat la ngala persyang ban le kai ka bang adon ban ong kalong ha ka jing long breu ngem long janai ni bakla ni jen thot ni ni hap ni men sao le ban sang aja kadon kam bangin kepat nang ta na kini yo jing hikai bangin la ban san ban ngongo ya ka jing suman ka jong ublei star berjuat bah wangalakit baros kata kabalong ka jing ket klik nakabanta ban ay ka jing hikai happy ki hap ki be da ka jing bangala ban sindor ya kala way ka papnai ka jong pi te manta kasi no star la de ban light no nanga la light la sting la long light load habakit jingket pikian ni kia habakit jingket rei dah bing la penha be ko to jingket long kom no sting kedal so lai loin dai ti kamut imam ro menta kasi ila dai ban penha no e kani jingket ke bakia abang la siem ban don hang ni bat pi na do kembang la ong menne ti ngasngop men pan bah breng jong kani ke jing yai lenti ke jong na ngaso ban ai ngu yo blei ba ulakir ku bat wat do jing kemen yang ngai scam bagi wai pat ki badang biang kapor ka karta ka jing nang ka jing stan ken yo ban peteng pat yang ni ka jaka ka basa ka jong nga ma blei nju ka kambaro kamlong permanent ya baro kalai tang temporary te kamot ngidon kapor ka jing sedang pat ka jing kun te kat ne kadai baro kadai yang ha bat yang iru iwe kumjoi presiden ru ide bala de syong thait nak kam sarkar te ngai so thu bahaya kata te ngang scam ba uplay on nang ai ya ka jing kot ke jing kia ya pi ki kena ba e ya ki jonga ba ni lang tinga so manong ba nga ai ngo e uplay ba ling ba jong ki snam ki bang adon matre ni ba pi nga dei shisha ka no kai ka ba khia krat di ba khia krat tam balai kata ngan no mention syo pitip khama ma pi ko mang la dep ong men ne bangam yo I ka do la jong pi la ban I nga ngang yo I ya pi te kom yo ru wai ka jing start ka bang la ban ai happy but haba umam beti u ai ding la no kan tha ding sa wei atu ka ding ka badon ho tu mam beti kam lep no rei ki tu ki wei pa de ki la nang yo em ka jing sai te ka mot nangaru mata ka ni ka jing start ka bang adon kan num lai no nanga kan num lai nanga ma rei kan nang ya pa ken se ki wei pan
Synod College Shillong held a prestigious ceremony at Dinam Hall, Jayao to honor the achievements of its graduating students. The event, graced by Frederick R. Kharkongor, marked a significant day for the 636 students who were venerated for their dedication and hard work. Among the recipients of the Synod Academic Excellence Award were students from diverse fields including zoology and geography. Zoology major students Yusuk Lang Thaba 5th position, Shaliban El Maulong 6th position, Kumbathmu Rani 9th position and Balahun Karmu Salman 10th position were celebrated for their outstanding academic performances. Likewise, geography major students Rimeyaka Walang 4th position, Payabaskem Kharkongor 5th position, Evangeline Mayoram 5th position, Andrinalin Dingdo 8th position and Meya Lambharan Tathyang 9th position were also recognized for their achievements. Additionally, students who received the Thomas Jones Memorial Award includes Aitisha Basayomoit and Bayohun Shah Khongshun, earning a high scores first division in English.
Hagani ka por ka mamata kublai sibon ikikantin priang subha jong pi yang lemmat ki bahayeng bahasam ki jonga hagani ka por mamata ingkong apan pau ka jong songu yo blai paula beten lenti yang haduk menta kani kalong kasi kaban sa kan mau sisai ka jing em ka jonga bat jong pi ngai kublai ya baro kinong keren ki ba la keren haswa jonga nai pun nai mention chu iki kumju ia gitu gijing bernya ki ba per ki ba pilapen I hakani ka por ka bamenta bat kala long ru kajing kemen yangi ki ba don hakani ka por ka bamenta ngai I banado ki khana nasri hado ki long keme ki laya sakilang da kajing kemen bat dagamen sem ka jing sungu ngapan pau pat pediang ya jing ai so bha jong khi baro yanga tang tek kumno ngapoi ha kanika school nga ko awanya thu pi dailing ba jong ikong ban suk suting ibadai hati che ibalaklat no I oyanga khai onga ngan song thai no sao ta rekin ai ferel nga sawan no kana tengok orang ing orang tu sawan. Tak hadian arti yo yang biaya pila lek kum nak ha pila tu application. Ngapa kelam don jumut tenala de bangan wan hang ni. Te kamut ngasuang tu application. Yang kila ibor hai presiden ha tu kopor presiden dei ba Edward Korba. Tu mu lale cakaban. Te yang na is lepan NOC makhang ong tu. Te kum tangala persiang man le kata. Te bat kata kare gijing sedang pejong hang ni nganum keren boni kiwe rei ha ka lai tarik kamut ngajon hang ni ha ka lai tarik jong benai me ar hajan reu bat mentang halong khan yo snam lai benai ha ka school tak ti nam ta gini snam raya kajing khub lei ka bani kong ka lei Sya ka school managing committee kabalong ka board ka baha kledo aranta ban pe ya ka baha kamian jong ri ka school ko jongi bat kalong kum ni ka makalong menta Ngai kublai rui kmi paling ba jong ka seng jong ki ka Parent Teachers Association ka balong ka tiga man ka tiga diang bat ka jingker ku ya ka school jong hi ba ro we ngai kublai ya i hat teacher balong para trai jong na ki parong na hikai kom ki men bat ki para ki ba e ki jong nga hakakam baro iskata ya pentelun lang ya kan ka salentem ban penya ya kan kali ndai ka jingla ka jong ngamar we ya trelang kom ki para ni kai ndai mentah ngala dei ban syania happy ba penang ya treasure da ka jing e ya ka kam kanang mon ra ya ka standard jong ka school namar ka nang ya ikipon nginang kwa hiban ka te ka standard tie ngai ko play ka pang ro ikino hikai ka e ki jonga ki jongi ki bangi khot ya rap ya ki don lai ngot kini da ka mensem jong ka jing ai ti lot ba ka jing tre sitam ka jong ki kalong ka jing mentu ka jing mentoy ba ka jing kerku ka ba krau ya ka ni ka school ka jong ni ho dai jing siu ba ret ngai ki lai sa sitom te nga smo ba dong ba tu blen kerku ya pi ba pi nya yo ka jing kot ka jing kia aka met aka mensem lai jing siu ba ret ngai blen pendap ya ki jing non kam ki jong pi baro kanang ya ki sini ki por ki khana ki ba e ki jonga ngai kum le ki to ka riang ye ki khana ba e jonga baro kum ki kum ka kme ka ba ar ka jong pi ngamai ya ken hin na sempat ye pi ba de ba ngai e nya kwa ba pin kieu ngam kwa pin sa ju tinak ta ka daw ngakit bok kit riang ye pi ba pin nang ya kieu sa prang ki jing puli jong pi ham tam be ba pin don ya ka thong bat ka ta ka thong ka jing em ka jong pi ka ba mal si along ba pin yo e ka jing jom man sa ju ba sa ju ti ti na ba jai tu ti ko mot kom gita mo ndei ban ban ka ti school ka jong ni hiao ngau na e to ngai scam pi i nga ko mahalong pi na mi nga ko mahalong ta singi ngala style dai oi pi ru manta ka singi ngai pi akmen ma ba yo ban I farewell khadu yang dai dai na ble shiboni tu ki program ki jong pi ba pi lai ai ngam sola ban se ko liang ya ka jing lai stom jong pi por ba tang khandian te ngai nga kwa manong ba baro nangi ngimla ban yo i la di ngam tai ka ni ka ngap la jong ngam yo i ngadon ayu ngam la ban yo i khumot la jong ngadon ayu ngathok ayu ndai ngam la ban yo i pi i nga ngai i pi dai dem to te ngai scam ba kini ki jing pen kan ma jong nga ya pi ba ngim la ban i la de halong ba ngam la ban pen hon lot ya ki jing kwa ki jong pi baro ki ba wat la ngala persyang ban le hei ka bangadon ban ong kalong ha ka jing long breu ngem long janai ngi bakla ngi jen thot ngi ngi ham ngi men sao le ban sang ajo kadon kam bangin kepat nang ta na kini gi yo jing hikai bangin la ban san ban sngongo ya ka jing suman ka jong ublei star berjuat bah bangalakit baros kata abalong ka jing ket kle na ka banta ban ai ya ka jing hikai happy ki hap ki be da ka jing bangala ban finder ya ka lawe ka ba pranai ka jong pi te manta kasi no star la de ban light no nanga la light la sting la long light load habakit jingkit pikian oh ni kia habakit jingkit ndai dah bang la penha be ko to jingkit long kom no sting kedal so lai load ndai ti ko mot imam ro menta kasi ila dei ban penha no e kan ni jingkit ko ba kia bangala siam bandon hang ni bat pi nado bangala ong menne ti ngasngop men pan bah breng jong kani ke jinya lenti ke jonga ngaso ban ai ngu yo blei ba ulakir ku bat wat do jing kemen yang ngai scam bagi wei pat ki badang biang kapor ka karta ka jing nang ka jing stan ken yo ban beteng pat yang ni ka jaka ka basa ka jonga ma blei nju ka kambaro kamlong permanent ya baro kalai tang ka temporary te kamot ngidon kapor ka jing sedang pat ka jing kun te kat ne ka dai baro ka dai yang bat yang iru iwe kumjoi presiden ru ide bala dep song type na kam sarkar te ngai so thu bahaya kata te ngangi scam ba ublai on nang ai ya ka jing kot ka jing khia ya pi ki kena be e ya ki jonga bat ni lang te ngaso manong ba nga ayo ayo ublai ba lingba jong ki kisnam ki bangadon matre ni ba pi ngade sisa kana ikai ke bakhe akrat di bakhe akrat tam balai kata ngan no mention syo pitip hama ma phi ko mang la dep ong men ne bangam yo I ka do la jong phi la ban yi nga ngang yo I ya phi te kom joru wai ka jing start ka bangala ban ai happy but haba umam beti u ai ding la no kan tha ding chawai atu ka ding ka badon ho tu mam beti kam lep no rai kita giway pada kila nang yo em ya kajing syai te kamot nangar menta kan kajing start ka bangadon kanum light no nanga kanum light nanga madai rai kanang yat pa ken sekiway pan
Balawan College, Umsning, celebrated the graduation day 2023 on 31st August, honoring 53 students who have cleared their undergraduate examination conducted by the Northeastern Hills University. The program was held at the college auditorium where special awards were also given to students who have excelled in their discipline. One of the highlights of the event was the graduation of Lakantius Imli, a 53-year-old student who pursued her studies despite her senior age. The chief guest of the occasion was Jason S. Maulong, former MLA of Umsning constituency, who congratulated the graduates and encouraged them to carry on in their fights despite difficulties and live a moral life and do good in the society. The program was also attended by Magdalene S. Maulong, MDC Umsning constituency, principal of the college, Father Lawrence Kharkuni, teachers and students. The principal delivered the welcome address and presented the annual report of the college. He also thanked the parents and guardians for their support and cooperation.
Hard work, determination, and perseverance have paid off, and you have earned your degrees. As you leave Balawan and embark on the next phase of your journey, I encourage you to embrace new challenges and meet them with strength and courage. Remember the many good things that you have learned in this college, the skills and the knowledge you have gained in this college are valuable assets that will serve you well in all areas of your life. I urge you to use these skills and knowledge to make a lasting impact on the people around you. I would like to acknowledge with gratitude the hard work done by Sir Jason Maulong, who worked hard and went out of the way and all the way, to get a project for the construction of the Balawan Girls Hostel. Let us give a big round of applause to our hands for the big work that was done. I know for sure that with the coming of the college hostel, many girls from our rural and tribal rural areas will benefit, and this will enhance the enrollment of our college, and also will get the girls and students not only from Meghalaya but maybe from different states of the Northeast, and that will have a very healthy competition, so that will take our college forward. We are fortunate also to have a very hard-working principal. In this past few days, because of the NDP, because of the NAR preparation, Father is sleeping. He used to go to bed by 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. So very hard work. All for the good of the college and for your good. So let us give a big clap to him. So I appreciate and I acknowledge the gratitude all those in one way or other have helped in the growth of this college. Adam, Magdalene Maulong also in a small way have contributed, and also all, as I said, Sarkoros, and you, staff, students, teachers, all of you in one way or other, you have tried your best to make this college great, and I'm sure great missionary, great Father Michael Balawan, who is honorably directed this college, will be very happy and glad seeing the great work of you in this place. In conclusion, I would like to express my gratitude to Graduation Day Organization Committee, esteemed chief guests, guests of honor, and all our well wishers for joining us on this occasion. To you, our dear graduates, I offer my sincere congratulations once again and wish you all the very best as you embark on the new chapter of your lives. Thank you.
The smallest of the smallest things in your life will shape up your life. The smallest of the smallest things. These are the smallest things that will teach you the most important aspect in your life. So I need you students to reflect on your journey. Now that you graduate, now you are in your own launch time. Now you are your own master now. Now it is up to you what you aspire, what you want to become. But at the end of the day, some of you become engineers, some of you become doctors. But never forget to become a good human being. This is what the world needs right now. I'm sure so many of you would have met so many good people around you. How easy is to communicate with them? It's very convenient to be around good people. So we need good people in this world so that things become more convenient and more easy for every one of us. Why do I say that? I'm telling you. Because why? Majority of you, I am sure you will succeed in life. Like I said, some of you will become leaders. But never forget, if you want to become a human being, a good human being, I think we need to have that love and respect for one another. Some of you will become engineer, doctor. Some of you will become very rich. But make sure if you become rich, not at the cost of the poor. I'm telling you that. Some of you become very powerful. You can become powerful, but not at the cost of the weak. Some of you may seek fame, but do not ignore the shine. This is what I want to put it across to you all the students. The world is in your palm right now. Now it's all up to you. How do you proceed ahead in life? Don't give up. I'm standing here, I'm sure everyone that is here, we are putting our hard work and dedication. I'm sure that failure is just one step below to success. Just one step below to success. So any of you that fail doesn't mean that it is the end of the world. It is not the end of the world. Work hard. I'm sure that we have one of the best examples that we got a special award. It is just a number. It is just a number. I'm telling you. The world is in your palm. And you have to make the best of it. So thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of this beautiful program. And I will be close to the college. I have tried my level best in the past to get sanction of various programs, various like the girls' hostel. But I am sure that is not the end. It's just the beginning. Because I want the youth of this college to strive ahead and be someone in the future. Thank you so much.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.